All right, hello everyone, and welcome to a five-box break of 2012 Prime Signatures Football eBay. Ended today, July 22nd. Okay, these are the teams and the owners. All right, Titans and Cardinals did not sell, so I just kept them. Um, this, no one was biting on those teams, but all right. 11:32 p.m. Wednesday, July 22nd, Eastern Time. And that's it. Here we go. Let's get started. Good luck to everybody. One, two, three, and five. Okay, box number one. All right, put this in the front. Jim Plunkett, 323 out of 499 for the Raiders. Got London Fletcher out of 499, Redskins. Prime proof of Randall Cunningham, 42 out of 49 for the Eagles. And our first hit is for the Ravens, 1 out of 25 for Courtney Upshaw, rookie. 1 out of 25, first one. Number two. Jabbar Gaffney out of 499 for the Patriots. Got Fred Jackson for the Bills out of 499. Doug Flutie out of 99, red prime proof. And nice hit for the Panthers out of 20. Cam Newton, 12 out of 20 for Carolina. All right, box three. All right, Miles Austin for Dallas out of 499. Drew Brees out of 499. Brett Favre prime proof for the Pack, 51 out of 99. And a TJ Graham for the Bills, 67 out of 199. Box four. Getting weaker. Okay, Michael Vick for the Eagles out of 499. Got Adrian Peterson out of 499 for the Vikes. Prime proof of Nate Washington out of 99. Titans. And for Dallas, Tyrone Crawford out of 199. 184 out of 199. Little chip over here on the top. You see that? Which happens a lot with these cards. And the final fifth box. Good luck, everyone. Alright, I got Plaxico Burress out of 499 for the Jets. Matt Forte out of 499 for the Bears. Sorry about the focusing here. Deshaun Jackson for the Eagles. And we got a crappy one over here. Michael Agnew again. Mr. 2012 out of 199 for the Dolphins. And that does it. Guys, thank you very much for joining. The cards will ship out within the next day or two. And that's it. Have a great night.